I'm sorry I'm late.
About time.
I know. I had to run here all the way from over there.
Okay, so today we are making a riff on a gimlet. We're using Singani 63. I really like the spirit because I feel like you can use it in place of a lot of things like vodka, gin, and I think maybe even rum because it has a little bit of sweetness to it.
Yeah.
So I feel like it could work for that too.
I agree. I've actually had a lot of cocktails with Singani that have replaced whiskeys. I've had a Singani Old Fashioned. I've had a Singani Margarita that replaced tequila. So it genuinely replaces gin hand in hand, and then vodka, and then rum, and then it moves up from there. But it has such a great flavor that it can really kind of carry its own drink. So you can make an old fashioned with it. So hearing that you're doing a gimlet with it, perfect.
Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna do 2.5 ounces of the Singani. So that'll actually be 5 ounces. Now we're gonna do 1 ounce of our simple syrup. If you're just doing one of these, then just do 1/2 ounce. And then 1 ounce of the lime.
And this is fresh squeezed lime. Is it key lime or regular lime?
Regular lime.
Regular lime, okay.
Key lime would be good though.
I know. They're definitely different. You know, people who don't know, you're used to doing a cocktail with lime, buy key limes instead and squeeze it. It is more concentrated flavor. It's a little brighter, really nice. It changes the cocktail just a little bit.
Oh, it's being difficult.
I love the equipment too. It's like the armor of the Royal Guard or something. It's really nice.
So I actually just ordered them from Barfly if anyone wants to copy. They are my favorite shakers, jiggers.
Really nice.
Spoons.
Sturdy. And like I felt her strainer earlier. It is a little more weighted, so it has a really nice feel to it. All right, here we go.
The Sinlet.
Sinlet. Singani gimlet. Got it.
Yeah.
Sinlet. Okay, it's working now. Well, that's nice. Refreshing. Easy. You get the Singani, you get that floralness, you get that really nice flavor, nice sweetness. Yeah. No, that's... Yeah, I could drink this.
Yeah, it's just like the tried and true gimlet, but a little bit different.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah.
I love it. Thank you so much.